This club means everything to the people. So it's our job to show that it means absolutely everything for us as well. It's a lot about the emotion, the intensity, how the supporters live. Well, did you ever hear a better message than "You'll Never Walk Alone"? It's the most beautiful song in the world. Everybody feels it, everybody loves it, and everybody gets the message. In your darkest moments, you are not alone. I love that. We are Liverpool. And that means we have to entertain the people, and we have to show all the desire, to show all the love for the game. We will all be together soon. There will be a moment for us. For now, tell the world, we are Liverpool, champions.